Alright, guys. As you know, it's Neef Buck G. I'm about to play some Subway Surfers. Let me go in the back. See how high I get. Alright. Sister just made some brownies, bro. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. I'm born Meg. Meg. Psalm 7. As you know. Psalm 7. What up, brother? Hello. I can't sing, y'all. But it's alright. See how far I get. I already got it. I got cheese streets. And I got the keys to Subway Surfers. I got the keys. But you know, I'm horrible at Subway Surfers, but not really. But I could do a stream, I mean. But really not good at the game, but I died, man. So. Oh my god, I'm not using none more. Right here. So y'all, I'm about to do this.
It actually never ends.
Right
this week I'm gonna go bathe a few salons and run withdrawals. Yes. Because one problem is people don't ask about it because they don't know about it. So
I'm play different game. Play a different game.
So go to La Kenya salon and make sure that all of these people are inventory with runway curls. Did you just say La Kenya? Yes. I'm excited that La Kenya wants to join the natural hair movement. What a lot of people don't understand is that to be successful, you have to help other people become successful.
Isn't La Kenya part of Maya's crew? Why her?
What La Kenya is carrying
I'm trapping so high.
In Maya's line. The difference between Maya's natural hairline and my own is that Maya's line is about dollars and cents. My